So fun fact number 11, I used to have to get my roommate to apply my lashes when I first started my YouTube channel. So your girl didn't know how to apply lashes at all. I was struggling so bad, y'all. All I could apply was mascara. So if it wasn't for my roommate in college, boy, I would not be wearing lashes probably still to this day, y'all. Like, I had to force myself to learn to apply lashes. That's why I use tweezers now. I use this right here, which is not even for lashes. It's for like beads. But yeah. So if you are struggling with applying lashes, have no fear. If I can do it, you can do it too. Just keep practicing and I promise you'll get it. Hey dolls and gents, today we are going to be talking about my top beauty products that are $15 and under. So super affordable products. I know that y'all love to save your coins. So I wanted to share some beauty products that I'm obsessed with, that I've been using for a really, really long time, that I feel like are must-haves but do not break the bank, okay? So first up, y'all already know that I cannot leave the house without perfume. I feel naked without perfume. Literally, if I do not spray perfume on and I leave the house, my whole day is ruined. I have said this so many times. So I first have to talk about Scentbird, because you can try out designer perfumes for 15 bucks every month. You get a 30-day supply, so you get 120 to 140 sprays in each of these containers. Look at all these beautiful colors. Like, I literally collect all of the colors, and I like to match it like with my outfit or with my hardware that I'm wearing for the day. As you can see, this is what the container looks like, and you can screw it up and pull it out so you can see exactly how much product that you get. And then it has a little spray here, and you just mist yourself like that. And this is perfect for traveling. And I also love it because I can throw it in my bag, and if I feel like I cannot smell my perfume anymore, I can just touch up on the go, which is like everything. Because do you know how many times I put a full-size perfume bottle in my purse and then it's shattered, and I'm like, you know what? Like, really? Here are the 3 new scents that I picked out for this month. First up, we have the Omnia Crystalline, and I hope I'm pronouncing this right. I will leave it all down below for you guys. Next up, we have Burberry The Beat. I picked out really nice like fall scents because this is like my favorite time of the year. And then we have one that I have been using quite a bit, as you can see, because honestly, I have been using this one every day since I received it. This is what it looks like when you first receive it. But this is the EB Florals by Eric Butterbach, and it's the Thorns Rose. This is so strong, but I love it. Like, if you love floral scents, you will love this baby. A little bit goes a long way. Do not spray more than like 2 or 3 sprays of this, because boy, people will be like, girl, you're a little loud. Shout outs to Scentbird for sponsoring their mention in this video. Y'all know I love perfumes. I love Scentbird, and they have a 30% off for my subscribers. So you can receive your first month for only 10 bucks. So if you're on the hunt for a new perfume, definitely check out Scentbird. I will have their link in the top of the description box down below for you guys. So next up, we have this Sephora Cream Lip Stain. I rocked this in my last 2 videos. I rocked this on Facebook Live. I get so many compliments every time I wear this color. I feel like this is the perfect red. I feel like this red looks good on pretty much every skin tone. The shade is 01, and this retails for 14 bucks. Like, this is a classic red. Everyone needs a classic red in their life. So this is one of my favorites. As you can see, I've been into bold lips lately, which is odd for me because y'all know I live for nude lips. But we are getting into the fall and winter months, so I love bold lips. I particularly love this formula. It says that it's a lip stain, but it's really a liquid lipstick, but it really lasts and it feels very comfortable on the lips. It does not crack like some liquid lipsticks do. So this formula is one of my faves and it's under 15 bucks. So yeah, amazing. So next up, I had to mention the Smashbox Photofinish Primer Water because y'all, I use this every single time I do my makeup. This is my go-to primer. I always double prime, but I always start with this baby because if I don't, I feel like my makeup does not turn out flawless. This product is amazing. I've gone through so many bottles of this. Now, this particular size is not $15 or under. This particular size is 30 bucks, but they have this size, and I actually have something else in this container because clearly I already used this up, but this is the size that is right at $15, and you need this baby in your life, okay? This is going to make your makeup look flawless. This is gonna help your makeup last all day. You can use it as a primer and also a setting spray, so you can get double use with this. Also, you can use this to wet your brush if you want to make your eyeshadows like a little bit more pigmented on the eyelids. So this is a multi-purpose item. I love it. I love it so much. Y'all have seen me use it so much. So yeah, if you don't have this, what are you waiting for, sis? Get it. So next up, you need a Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in your life. These retail for $5. Whether you get Nillionaire, which is one of my all-time favorite shades, or something like this. This is called Cheap Date. Any gorgeous like shimmery gold or silver, I'm all for. But this color is so, so pretty, as you can see right here. Oh my goodness. Yes. $5. They have pretty much every single color that you can think of. So you can do some super colorful shades. Like they have some really nice fuchsias, really nice blues. You need just one of these shadows in your life. They apply best with your fingers rather than a brush. So pack these on the lid with your fingers. You will not be disappointed. So this product right here retails for just under $8 at Walmart and Target. But if you get it at Ulta, it's almost like $13. Still under 15, but go to Walmart or Target if you want this, okay? Save that money, girl. Save that money. So I know my product looks really dirty, but I actually use this baby. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder. As you can see, your girl has hit major pan. I use the shade Cocoa. I love this powder. I will touch up with this powder right now. I have oily skin. This powder keeps me so matte throughout the day. I just love it so much. The color is everything. It's not too red. It's not too yellow. It's like just right. It's a very neutral color. I love this compact. You can throw it in your bag and keep it pushing. I've never had any issues with this powder and it's affordable. Like, come on now. This powder gives me that airbrush look every single time. Like team no pores. Yes. Love this powder. So good. So next up, we have the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black. I just love this mascara because of the brush. It's got like one of those comb brushes, so it's very easy to get your bottom lashes, but it also defines and lengthens your top lashes as well. And it's very dark. So this is one of my favorite mascaras. I feel like mascara is one of those things where you can get a really bomb drugstore mascara. You don't need to splurge and get a high-end mascara unless you just want to. So this retails for about 10 bucks. I mean, you can't beat that. Mascara is one of those items that you're supposed to throw out every 3 months. So yeah, you don't want to spend too much money on a mascara. I really love L'Oreal mascaras. The Telescopic and the Voluminous are my favorite. The Voluminous is awesome for volume and this is awesome for lengthening, so you can even combine the two and just amazing. I was gonna share both, but if I chose one, I would go with the Telescopic, my fave. So this next product is under $7. You heard me. It is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium dark. I love this palette. I use primarily just this one. I use this to contour every single time I do my makeup. I love it more than my high-end bronzers and contour powders, so that speaks volumes. This highlight shade is really, really bomb too. I just don't have a purpose to use this shade because it's not darker than my skin tone. I guess I could use this like as an all over face powder, like if I really, really wanted to, but I just never use this shade right here. But these two, bomb. Like this highlighter, I don't use it that often, but y'all, it's really, really pretty. It's right there. So pretty. So yeah, if you're on the hunt for something affordable to contour with in your my complexion, or a little bit lighter or a little bit darker, then check this baby out. So the last product that I want to share with you guys is the J.Cat Beauty Luxe Pro Powder and Banana. Y'all know I use this every single time I bake, and this powder is right at $7. You cannot beat that. You can get a powder that is your shade as well for all over your skin, or you can do a yellow tone or a translucent powder to bake underneath your eyes or any highlighted portions of your skin. I don't have any issues with flashback with this powder, and it's very finely milled, so it blends out seamlessly. It doesn't look cakey on the skin. This replaced my Midnight Banana Powder. Midnight Banana Powder used to be inexpensive like this, but ever since like it went viral, it's gotten so expensive. So this has been my go-to. I love it so much because I love a yellow tone powder, especially underneath the eyes, just to brighten. So I hope y'all enjoyed me showing my top beauty products that are $15 and under. If you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. By the way, if you have not already watched my last makeup tutorial, definitely click the box right here so you can get a beat face like this. Come on now. I know you want to know how. Let's go.